Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video of the Wizard's Companion. Now, I put a poll out there to see what you guys wanted to see, and this one was really close with the 13th hour. So we've done that one, now we're gonna do this one. I'm actually really happy to do this one because this was in the anniversary sale, and I just got it recently. So I want to kind of dive into this one and see what it looks like and kind of see what your guys' thoughts are on it too. Okay, so here we are with the Wizard's Companion. This one I think is just absolutely beautiful. There was a little bit of a theme that I got when it came to the anniversary sale. You know, I got this and I got magic hats. So let's take a quick dive into this one and see what this one's all about. It is 25.6 inches by 34.3 inches, or 65 centimeters by 86.9 centimeters, so pretty decent size. It has a lot of colors, 96 colors in this one. But here's the fun part with this one. So of those 96 colors, we've got 2 ABs, 1 Electro diamond, 1 Iridescent diamond, and then 6 fairy dust diamonds. So a lot of specialty drills in this one. And there's a total of 91,089 diamonds. This one I think is gonna be a lot of fun because of all of the specialty drills that are in it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the canvas and then we'll get into the drills and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here we have Wizard's Companion, and this is by Sheena Pike. I don't know how she came up with this one, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It is beautiful. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and take a look at the canvas and the drills. Now, just like with all Diamond Art Club kits, they come with this handy dandy toolkit. In this toolkit, we have a tray and a placer pen. It's got a single tip and a multi-placer on it. There's also a 7-placer in here as well. Comes with little baggies, some wax, some putty wax. And yeah, this is just a great little thing to be able to have in every single kit. You can kind of save these up a little. These pens are fantastic. I love the wax, the putty wax that comes with it, which is great. And then we have our thank you for your purchase card. So in here is where we have our treasure quest card and we have our sticker sheet. Now, we actually have a silver card in this one. Fantastic. So hang on to that. You can use these cards to get a custom painting or redeem them for gift cards. Now, with our sticker sheet that I have here, so here we have all of our colors. We have our DMC colors that are in here. So Diamond Art Club goes based off the DMC chart. And then also Diamond Art Club has their own color scheme in the 6000s that are in here. See if I can't get that a little closer. And then with those 6000 numbers, they do those to get closer to the color palette that is needed for the canvas in itself. And then we have all of our specialty drills in here. So we've got our 2 ABs. One of these is Electro and one of these is the Iridescent. I can't remember which one is which. I believe it's K and then L, and then our fairy dust diamonds that are in here as well. So we'll definitely be on the lookout for these specialty drills in the canvas and while we're looking through the drills themselves. Now my desk is only so big for these large paintings, but you can see here just the top part of this is incredible. This is absolutely insane at how this looks. The detail that is in this one and the quality that is going to be in this one is going to be absolutely wonderful. I can tell you already that there is going to be a ton of specialty drills in this one. All of this white that you're seeing in there, here, all throughout here, all of that is fairy dust. All of this is fairy dust. So that's going to look really nice. And then looking for the specialty drills, the U and the star, I've got a couple in the owl's eyes. I've got some U down through here and here. So it really is going to be sprinkled throughout. The edges of this are actually going to be pretty quick and easy. And from what I can see in each of these sections, this isn't going to be too bad. There's a lot of line blocking, there's color blocking. This is going to be great. This is going to be absolutely great to be able to do. I will say that I'm liking and having more of an appreciation for the kits that are already colored. The mystery kits are a lot harder to read. So even down here in the second half, I'm already seeing a lot of line blocking through here. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. Let's go up here to this part. So a lot of line blocking through here, and I'll zoom in here. And then some color blocking over here. This feather quill is beautiful. This is so nice. A lot of U down through here. Okay, so I'm going to be real curious to see how much of the specialty diamonds that we actually have, because there is a ton of U in this one, and that U is that K specialty diamond. I don't see a whole lot of the star, though. I really don't. Now the ABs, I don't know. There's some AB in here, AB throughout here. Okay, so the AB is sprinkled throughout. That's good. Dollar sign is another AB. So over here as well. So a good mix of regular diamonds and specialty drills throughout. I like it. All right, let's take a look at the diamonds in this one and we'll go from there. Okay, look at that color palette for Wizard's Companion. Definitely very magical, mystical, very nice. So let's go ahead and take a look at our specialty drills and see what we've got going on. Now, when you are looking at these, you want to remember that these are in order by weight on the drills and not by numbers. So you're going to have a lot of your smaller ones that are going to be kind of here on the inside, and then what you have the most of is going to be here on the outside. Now, unfortunately for this one, we have 8 bags of 310. Oh my gosh, 8 bags of 310. That's fantastic. As we all know, 310 is black and 310 is, oh, it's just a lot of black. It is what it is. I actually have 3 bags of 336. Okay, here's our first fairy dust diamond, and look at that. That is beautiful. That is a great green color, 3847. Very nice, I like that. Okay, and then we have 2 bags of Z3865. So we knew there was going to be a lot of white. There was a lot of white when we looked at the canvas, and definitely 2 bags of it here in front of us. Oh, but I love that though. Oh, this is going to be so great when it's done. Okay, we actually have another smaller bag of 939, so I'm going to have to keep that in mind when I go to, oh no, that was 936. Okay. 939 and 936 are very similar. Okay, see, I knew we were going to have a lot of this one. I believe... Okay, so K is actually our Electro diamond. I was doing some quick research, and this has a slight metal tinge to it, which is what this one has. And yeah, the iridescent one is actually going to be a little bit more of a transparent one. So this is our, this is so gorgeous. I love this. K796. Oh my gosh. And the leftovers of these, yay. Okay, so here's one of our 6000s. So 6021, a light gray. And we have just found an empty bag of 3854 attached to this one. So once I'm done with this video, I'm going to need to do a little bit of research and then get a hold of Diamond Art Club to see what we can do about this. They're going to want a picture of it. That is very unfortunate, but you know what? Sometimes it happens. Sometimes you get things incorrectly, which is why you look at all of your stuff ahead of time. Okay, I'm definitely seeing some things in this pack here. Let's see. Okay, there you go. That is an iridescent diamond. L162. Look at that. Can't get my camera to focus. Wow. That is beautiful. Look at that mirroring. Ooh, this is going to be so nice. Oh, and here's a Z155. Pretty purple. Okay, so a Z3849, a turquoise. I like that one too. Very nice specialty diamond there. Okay, here we go with an AB, kind of a turquoise, bluish something, AB 807. Z3855. I'm not a big fan of like a yellow cream color. I'm just not for some reason. So that one's okay. Okay, so here we have, this is a really nice AB. This is nice. It's like an ice blue AB color, AB 3756. That's nice. I like that one. Okay. And there is a lot of that one too. Okay, Z772. This is a very interesting green color. I like it though. Interesting how I like that. Okay. And then for the smallest ones that we have, so here's a 6031. It's nice. You can see how sometimes the drills transfer from one to another. And there you have it. That is all the drills that we have for Wizard's Companion. I'm going to need to get a hold of Diamond Art Club now to figure out what's going on with this 3854 here. Okay, and there we have it for Wizard's Companion. Now, I will say that I'm overly excited for this one. The specialty drills in this one between the Iridescent and the Electro diamonds, wow. I was not expecting that many, and I was not expecting them to be that gorgeous. So this one may have just moved a little bit higher on the list to get done. Now let me know in the comments below what you think, and have you gotten this one? Is it on your wish list? Let me know. Now, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified on when videos get uploaded. This one, like I said, is going to move higher to the list to get done. If you've seen anything on my previous stash videos and my hauls and what I've brought home, and if there's something that I haven't done yet on an unboxing, go ahead and put it down in the comment section down below. Now, I know that there have been a couple requests for some others, so I'm going to try and get those out here as well. Now, that is all I have for you guys today, so until next time, everyone, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.